बिल्कुल, मेरा मेरा पूरा प्लान है कि आप लोगों को इतना डराऊँगी कि मतलब और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम कलयुग में हैं।
सही है, ज़ाहिर है।
कि ये मतलब शी इज़ नॉट नर्वस एट ऑल।
हाँ, बस मैं इस माँ से ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जीतेगा कौन? दोतो या माँ?
अम, जब पिक्चर में आएँगे तब पता चलेगा कि कौन जीतेगा।
आपका रूप देख के तो लगता है कि बहुत-बहुत भयंकर घमासान युद्ध होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। और क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम कलयुग में हैं।
सही है, ज़ाहिर है।
I think first of all, let me just say that it's the first time a mythological horror has been attempted, and I am very, very, very happy to be a part of it. I'm very happy to have all of this wonderful backing behind me and to put it into play. And like I say, आप सबने ट्रेलर तो देखा होगा, तो बहुत ही धमाकेदार पिक्चर होने वाली है, and I'm excited.
this genre of mytho horror ये कहाँ से सर शुरुआत हुई?
आई थिंक शुरुआत
घर से शुरू हुई. Who could you imagine in a horror world besides me?
Yes, very excited plus nervous.
Nervous?
Don't lie.
I'm
अब
nervous.
मैं बताना चाहती हूँ इसके बारे में कहानी बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये मतलब शी इज नॉट नर्वस एट ऑल.
I am nervous.
She's really not
My hands are
nervous.
sweating.
वो
I am
तो
nervous.
that तो happens continuously. That's a 24/7 process.
Right. So डर लगा था ये सब करने में थोड़ा सा?
सच बता.
नहीं. नहीं लगा.
ठीक है.
मैम हाउ डू लुक अपॉन टू द कैरेक्टर बिकॉज योर कैरेक्टर इज लुकिंग वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग. आपने गुप्त में हमें डरा दिया था, इस बार आप थोड़े डर भी नहीं है, फिर सामना
बिल्कुल,
भी कर रही
मेरा पूरा प्लान है कि आप लोगों को इतना डराऊंगी कि मतलब बैंड बजने वाली है. That's the plan. Fully.
Okay.
Actually a very interesting it's actually a very interesting story. तो normally कैसे होता है कि आपको एक आइडिया मिलता है, फिर आप उसको डेवलप करते हो, and then you get people on it, and it's a process. It's a process which takes its own time. वक्त लगता है ये सब चीजें करने के लिए. किसी से बात करो, organize करो कि okay you need to push it, punch it, you need to write it, all of that. But this film, I have to say that from the day we thought of it, from the time that we heard the concept to the shooting, was the shortest, the fastest that I have ever seen a film come together. Literally. मतलब 3 महीने में we had decided on the script, casting, and we had already started pre-production, which is the fastest. I have never seen a film come together like that. सो आई थिंक फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, शुरुआत से ही जो है इस कहानी पे मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं देयर वाज ऑलवेज एक हाथ था हम पे कि जो भी कर रहे हैं सही कर रहे हैं.
Me, as a mom myself, when I'm watching anything sensitive to children, it really bothers me. Like I will think twice.
Absolutely. That's half the reason actually. That I think I stood on a stage and I spoke about Salam Venki at one point as well. And so yes, absolutely. As a mother, it is one of those things that I think it's every parent's worst nightmare, really, that you can think of. There's nothing worse that you can think of beyond that.
So when you are doing a film like this, like while shooting or reading the script, did it bother you any point of time? And it's hard as a mother.
It is definitely. And somewhere, I don't know whether it's maybe it's a subconscious thing or whatever. I don't normally let it affect, you don't normally let it affect you in a shot. You tend not to. But somewhere down the line, things just somehow come easier. Emotions come easier, tears fall easier, all of that somehow when you feel like so connected to it and it's so real. Yes.
My last question to you, last time you and I spoke, we spoke about, how Nisha was only 1 year old when you shot My Name is Khan. And, now we are talking about mothers who are wanting, new moms who are wanting an 8-hour shift in workspace, in industry, in the film industry.
Right.
What do you think as a mother? Do you think this demand is right and people reacting to it? It's not going down well with people. What do you think about this?
Well, I love the fact that if you can work less.
I mean, did you prepare for this or it was just so spontaneous because you are a very spontaneous performer?
No, I don't believe in too much of a preparation. ये तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मेरा preparation is more subconscious more than consciously sitting down on it. But I think that the film, the script, everything around it automatically contributed to that intensity. And I have to give credit to the director also, and I have to give credit to the camera, the photographer, and everybody involved. And अगर intensity आपको दिख रही है, तो सब इन सब लोगों की वजह से भी है. So, thank you.
कोई ऐसे instincts थे while on the stage, while you were performing or while you were shooting, जो real life mother instincts आपके camera roll के time पे सामने आए?
You know, being a mom, I'm sure if you have, I don't know whether you have kids or not. Being a mom, being a parent, I would say, is very instinctive. I mean, instinctively, you do a lot of things that you would probably हाथ ऐसे जाता है. You know, you'll protect you walk across the road, you'll automatically pull your baby closer. You'll, if you're sitting and if you're, you know, if he or she's breathing wrong, you know, something happened. So it's a very instinctive, it's a very, everything about that body next to you, that person next to you is very instinctive. And yes, we try to portray it on screen. And I'm hoping that, you know, my subconscious was as strong as my conscious. And, you know, I'm able to put that across. But yes, I think that when we talk about mothers and when we talk about protection, जो हम कहते हैं, it is not only about sacrifice. It is also definitely about standing up. It is, I think, I like they say, you know, there's nothing more scary than a mama bear. So beware.
आज के ज़माने में मदरहुड के मायने बदल गए हैं। आपकी नज़र में माँ होने में और माँ बनने में क्या मतलब है?
अगर मायने बदल गए हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सोसाइटी के लिए बदले होंगे, लेकिन अगर माँ जो है, जो शब्द है, उसका मैं यही कहूँगी कि जो माँ होती है वो माँ she is never she is made, she is truly made, she is not born. You are not a mother just because you carry a child in your womb or you give birth to a child. You become a mother when you take care of that child, when you put that child's welfare above everything else, when you do everything in your power to take care of that child and to raise that child to the best of your ability. That is when you become a mother or become a parent. And I think that that has been there from time immemorial. That definition of mother cannot be changed and put into say that माँ जो होती है वो पहले ऐसी थी और अब ऐसी है, बिल्कुल नहीं. मुझे लगता है जो माँ होती है वो माँ थी, है और रहेगी, वो change नहीं होगा कभी.
About the future.
Also, I will want to point this out that horror films generally didn't have fantastic scripts, didn't have outstanding scripts. Bhoot did, but I'm just saying, if you looked at horror films, they didn't have the most mind-blowing storyline and like, okay, punch after this, surprise after surprise. I'm just saying that it didn't normally. I wouldn't say, there were some exceptions, but most of them didn't have that. So I think that may have also contributed. Now the kind of films that we are seeing now have a lot better storylines, better production-wise, in every which way it's better. So if you're talking about अगर आज के दौर के बारे में कह रहे हैं तो शायद हम अच्छी पिक्चरें भी बना रहे हैं अभी.